Good afternoon, esteemed members of the United Architects of the Philippines, Dubai Chapter. I am Architect Jess Cyril Seaton, your Chapter Secretary. It is with great honor that I present to you the newly inducted officers and Board of Directors of UAP Dubai Chapter for fiscal year 2025-2026. To start with, Architect Alexis Matthew Reyes, UAP, Director, Committee on Special Project. Architect Andrea Pawelas, UAP, Director, Committee on Renato A. Heray, Bayanihan Arkitektura. Architect Christine Rose Marasigan, UAP, Director, Committee on Sports. Architect Lilian Reyes, UAP, Director, Committee on Education. Architect Wilfredo Larina, UAP, Director, Committee on Ways and Means. Architect Jericho Bisnar, UAP, Director, Committee on External Affairs. Architect Malaya Fabros, UAP, Director, Committee on Internal Affairs. Architect Leia Contreras, UAP, Deputy Director, Committee on Membership. Architect Amelia Ramos, UAP, Director, Committee on Membership. Architect Ana Marie Jean Dizon, UAP, Chapter Auditor. Architect Estelita Villaduray, UAP, Chapter Treasurer. Architect Arven Quides, UAP, Vice President for Operations. Architect Marvin Alipio, UAP, Vice President for Programs and Development. Architect John Michael Piramide, UAP, Immediate Past Chapter President. And Architect Christian Romulo Vasquez, Chapter President. Good afternoon, esteemed members. When the presiding officer taps the gavel 3 times, it signals a formal call to attention. All members are respectfully requested to rise and observe decorum as we open today's proceedings. All rise. Please be seated. The chapter president will now formally call the meeting to order.
Good afternoon, members of UAP Dubai. Today is July 26, 2025, and the time is 2:40 p.m. By the authority vested in me as chapter president, I now declare the general membership meeting of the United Architects of the Philippines Dubai chapter officially in session. Chapter Secretary, please proceed with the roll call and certification of quorum.
Mr. President, you have a total of 169 members present out of 200 confirmed attendees for this first general membership meeting of fiscal year 2025-2026. This attendance constitutes a quorum as defined in the bylaws of our chapter.
Thank you, Secretary. The Chair has been informed that 93% of the voting membership is present. In accordance with our chapter's bylaws, a quorum is duly established. We have a quorum, UAP Dubai. In order to conduct our meeting efficiently, we shall adopt Robert's Rules of Order as a procedural framework, consistent with the UAP Document 107 and a long-lasting chapter practice. If there is no objection, these rules shall be adopted for this meeting. Hearing none, the rules are hereby adopted. The next item is the approval of the minutes from the previous meeting. As this is our first general membership meeting of this fiscal year, there are no prior minutes for consideration. Chapter Secretary, kindly proceed to the next item.
Mr. President, we now move to the membership committee report.
Thank you. May I call on our membership director, Architect Amelia Ramos, our volunteer leader of the year, to present the membership report.
Good afternoon po. Can you see me? Can you see me? Okay. Good afternoon, Architect. I am Architect Amelia Ramos, and your membership director for fiscal year 2025-2026. As of today, we have a total of 307 accepted and processed member in the UAP 124 Dubai chapter, including members from Philippines, Canada, KSA, Spain, and of course, Dubai. We also have 13 transferees or incoming members from different chapters in the Philippines and in Canada. And lastly, kung may mga questions po kayo regarding your renewals or your membership, you can send message through WhatsApp and email address po ng membership. Thank you.
You have heard the membership committee report. Are there any questions or clarification, members? Hearing none, the chair will entertain a motion to adopt the report as presented.
Mr. President, I move that the membership committee report be adopted.
Is there any second?
I second the motion.
All right, it has been moved and seconded the report of the membership committee that the report has been adopted. Okay, so is there any discussion on that? None? Hearing none, we proceed to a vote. All in favor say aye. Aye. All opposed say nay. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted.
Mr. President, the next item is the Treasurer's report.
Thank you. May I call on our chapter treasurer, Architect Estelita Villa del Rey, to present the financial report of our UAP Dubai chapter.
Thank you, Pres. Thank you, Sec Jess. Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, I'm Architect Estelita Villar del Rey, your chapter's treasurer. So today I will be presenting the treasurer's report, which include the income, expenses, and budget allocations. So let's begin with the revenue, which are the gross income before subtracting the expenses. And this statement is for the month of July. So again, for the revenue, we have the carryover funds from the last fiscal year is 0. From the membership collection is 145,578.73. So our total gross revenue is 145,578.73. So for the operating expenses, we have the license renewal. Is 7,728. For this first general membership meeting is 31,250. And for the gross operational expenses, we have 15,099.25. So the total amount of expenses is 54,077.25. So our net revenue is 91,501.48. So as for the budget allocation and other related details, this will be discussed further by President Christian for his report. So thank you.
Thank you, Architect Asti. This report is presented for information only and is subject to formal audit of the chapter's audit committee and our UAP Dubai's third-party accountant. No motion for adoption is required at this stage. Are there any questions? Hearing none, the treasurer report is received for audit. Thank you.
Mr. President, we proceed to the induction of our new members.
Thank you. To our new members, congratulations. And may we, you have chosen to serve and grow with the United Architects of the Philippines Dubai chapter. Kindly rise and come forward to your oath of membership. Membership Director, please call all our new members in front.
May we call on Architect Malilin Clifford, Flordelis Mark Anthony, Architect Hobart Dayan, Architect Christian Pasibe, Architect Shanine Salazar, Architect Michael Vincent Encisa, Architect Aristotel Mamangon, Architect Carmina Osting, Architect Christine Faye de la Cruz, Architect Jurica Ann Cervantes, Architect Bettina Gopez, Architect Larry Buraga, and Architect Carla Charis Filio.
May I call on Architect Malaya to do the charging?
Charging of new members. This organization, which you have entered into, is one of dignity, importance, and service to the community. In accepting the membership, you undertake a responsibility which is not to be assumed lightly nor carelessly discharged. You are hereby charged with the duties of seriously and resolutely furthering the objectives of the United Architects of the Philippines, the United and Accredited Professional Organization of Architects. With the Constitution and bylaws, together with the applicable policy manuals as your guide, you must be ever ready to exercise the duties and responsibilities of being a regular UAP member. Furthermore, you are charged with actively supporting your chapter programs according to the laws rooted on democracy, under which laws every individual who wishes to speak shall be heard, toward the end that in every matter considered, the best of opinion shall prevail through the expressed will of the majority, and the best course of action must take place. To the inductees, do you accept this charge? Mas malakas. Okay. Now, you are ready to be inducted as regular members of the United Architects of the Philippines. Mr. Chapter President, they are now ready to be inducted to the United Architects of the Philippines, Dubai Chapter.
All right, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Having been accepted as a member of UAP Dubai Chapter of the United Architects of the Philippines, do hereby solemnly swear to abide in all honesty and integrity, to the best of my ability, the duties and responsibilities of being a regular member, and all others that I may hereafter hold in the United Architects of the Philippines, that I will uphold and protect the Constitution and bylaws of the organization, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey and uphold the Architect's Code of Ethics of the profession, to which we are dedicated, that I will obey the laws and legal orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Philippines, and I hereby declare that I will impose this obligation upon myself without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations and welcome to UAP Dubai Chapter. Members, our new members. Thank you so much.
Mr. President, we now move to the President's report.
Thank you. Let me now present you the proposed activities and programs for this fiscal year 2025-2026. So ito yung pinaka-heart nitong GMM natin na to. We're just going to spend 1.5 hours for the GMM. Ganun lang ang GMM natin. So please bear with me with our proposed program, and then let's discuss together if we're going to push through with that or not, right? Okay, let me present you our programs. Yes, thank you, past chapter president, John Michael Permide. masyado tayong tight. So I'll just make it light para mas ma-absorb nyo our proposal. And I'm sorry for our foreign guests. Yeah. All right. Okay. So, first, thank you so much. Thank you so much for renewing your membership to UAP Dubai. Despite na hindi na siya requirements for PRC renewal, but still, pinili nyo pa rin mag-renew ng members, and that means a lot to us. Because through that, napatunayan nyo na may sense yung pinaggagawa natin dito sa UAP Dubai. So thank you. Thank you so much. Now, second, happy 15th founding anniversary to all of us. From a bold vision in 2010 to becoming a home of over 500 Filipino architects in the UAE, UAP Dubai has grown into a beacon of excellence, unity, and global relevance. Behind every great achievement are visionary individuals who dares to begin. Today, we honor the chartered members of UAP Dubai. Please stand up if you are here and present. Chartered members. The pioneers who laid the foundation 15 years ago. Your courage, commitment, and leadership build the very root of our chapter success. Saludo po kami sa inyo. Maraming salamat po, chartered members of UAP Dubai. Again, thank you to all who renewed this year's next fiscal year, 2026. We acknowledge our members. Now, before anything else, I would like to acknowledge our members who are in Zoom. So, our members from outside the Philippines, outside Dubai, and of course, somewhere else. So, I don't know if we can share them, but they are in Zoom and watching us live via our Facebook page. So, kamusta po kayo? Kung nasan man kayo, maraming salamat sa pag-join. And we'll make sure na kayong mga nasa Pilipinas na naniniwala sa ginagawa natin dito sa UAP Dubai na still nagre-renew ng membership natin, bawat GMM namin, kasama kayo namin. So, thank you. Alright, so, a membership snapshot. So, 231 delinquent members availed the 1 AED amnesty program. So, yung 1 dirham amnesty program natin dun sa mga delinquent natin, 231 who submitted their form. And then, 367 ang fill up ng form para sa renewal as a regular member. And a total of 598 renewal forms received. As of June 25, application, there's 307 accepted and approved application as a current member of UAP Dubai. Thank you so much sa mga nag-renew. And as of this morning, during our board of directors meeting, we already pre-approved. So mamaya i-approve natin yon, that we decided that the 1 AED amnesty program ng UAP Dubai will be extended to all until the end of fiscal year 2025-2026. Dahil naniniwala po tayo na ang organization natin ay para sa lahat. At hindi tayo hold up ng ating mga members na hindi nakapagbayad ng kanilang previous dues. Kaya hindi sila makasali sa atin dito. So, ine-extend natin yung amnesty program for everyone. Now, on our next slide, Anong aim natin for this fiscal year? What's our aim and goal for this fiscal year? This year, not just bold, but impactful. We are raising the bar. We're building initiative. Now, I've been your president for like 5 terms na no? And I keep telling everybody, we are 500 Filipino architects in a group. And I keep telling, take advantage of that. This is your network. Let's grow our network. My network. Unfortunately, during my presidency for 5 years, I don't have a chance to talk to everybody. So wala rin akong nag-grow na network with you guys kasi nandito kami. We're fixing the presentation. We're kind of busy. And we lose our chance to connect with everybody. And this year, let's do this na. Let's grow our network. We will force you to grow our network. So during the GMM, at least 5 person in this room, makonect nyo through LinkedIn, makilala nyo sa nagtatrabaho and stuff. That's very important. A lot of our industry partners, a lot of business development like me sa office are spending a lot of money just to be in a room with these professionals. I keep saying this, paulit-ulit, na, okay, you have your friends and colleagues, kakilala mo na yan since dumating ka ng Dubai. Huwag mo na kausapin yan, tsaka na. 3.5 hours. We're only limited to 3.5 hours for a GMM. So take advantage of it as much as possible. Connect to 5 or 6, a minimum. Yun ang target natin. Alright? Please? Members? Pag tinanong ko kayo kung sino bago nyo nakilala, you need to pick ko ano pangalan nila. But the thing is, we are 500 members from 487 different companies. From developers, from design firms, from interior design, name it. May Filipino mafia there sa kumpanya na yon. And at least alam mo. And at least you know. And that's the reason why my CEO in our office, she's very supportive with what I'm doing with UAP Dubai. Because nagagamit ko kayo. I'm using you all. I mean, in a sense that I have somebody to talk to if I need something or I need information from another company. Or if probably some of you, if you need some assistance to in some projects or a potential project, you can talk to somebody there. This is our network. Tayo na lang to. So please, ako sisimulan ko na rin. Kakausap na talaga ako ng matagal, hindi lang hi, hello. Kasi I'm missing all the opportunities. I've been your president for like 5 years, pero still, hindi ko pa rin connected yung 500 na to. Parang hi, hello and stuff. Pag nakita tayo sa mall, ngingiti lang ako, pero sabihin ko, sino yan? Baka UAP Dubai, pero hindi pa rin in-depth. And I need to check pa sa registration list, sino ba nagtatrabaho dito sa kumpanya na to? And stuff. But now, let's use that. Let's grow our network together. That's the very essence of our fiscal year. At the new fiscal year, we'll grow our network together, and then we will elevate now our skills. Of course, there are technical skills that we're going to upgrade, Revit and stuff, but that's on the side. But what we are going to focus now is business level na. C-suite level, managerial, ganung usapan na, mataas na usapan na. So, what we're going to do now is, i-strategize natin ang ating mga programs wherein a higher level, how to open a company in Dubai, how are we going to set up an outsourcing firm sa Pilipinas, how are we going to close a deal, business development, ganyan ang mga level na pag-uusapan natin. So, UAP Dubai is not for kids anymore. UAP Dubai is for adults. And pinag-usapan nga namin kanina, UAP Dubai, Viva Max na to level. This is not for young hearts. This is a new level of discussion na inside our organization. Are you with us? Yes. Thank you. Now, moving on. Yeah, sinabi ko na, let's build a year of real value. Para na ako nagbebenta ng Okay, now, you notice during the early months, puro halos mukha namin yung nasa Gulf News, sa media partners and stuff. But the thing is, okay, of course, in our defense, isa lang naman yung ang binigyan natin ng press release, Gulf News. And then afterwards, everybody pick it up na lumaki ng lumaki yung pinuntahan ng press release natin. So, but this is about you guys and ngayon na. The spotlight is in you na. We are going to highlight our members. If you're willing to be featured, if you're willing to build a good PR for yourself, this is your chance because we're going to give you the platform of UAP Dubai. Not just for officers, not just for me na. Tama na yung mukha ko. It's your time now. So our programs na makikita nyo later, it's designed for you, our members. It's time for you to get the spotlight na. And believe me, it's doable, it's workable, and we're going to do it for you. All right? Hindi pa rin tayo masyadong relax. Okay, all right, next. All right, so, sabi ko, the spotlight is with you guys now. So, Gulf News, is a commercial interior design, Design Middle East, Index. Remember our exhibition booth during the pre-COVID yata yun? Through Index, the Manila Times, the Dubai Design District, they approach us. And they want, and probably now, two of the publication will feature this GMM, this conversation, the conversation with Chef. So, gagamitin natin yan para sa inyo. Our brand, our UAP Dubai, because once we have that brand, and we have that brand already, hindi na natin pinagtatrabahuhan yun. Because a lot of them, like yung Ben Piper keeps asking, a lot of celebrity architects now approaching us and asking us how are they going to support our program. And developers, may lumapit na developers para sa atin. Because they saw our LinkedIn post, dun masyadong kumagat yun. And then especially the design awards na nangyari. And thank you. And let's give a huge round of applause to President John Michael Piramide sa ginawa niyang design awards with all the A-listers na dumating doon. Ang galing nung nangyari na yun. And now I can say, and I can proudly say, we're not going to go there because we're already there. So, okay. Hindi pa rin kumakagat yung mga ano. Okay, next. Okay, so, we keep saying that yes, UAP Dubai, the three of the region's top architectural organization will unite for the first time in a historic collaboration. This alliance will bring together ideas, influence, and innovation that will shape the future of architecture in the region. So, ladies and gentlemen, AIA Middle East, the American Institute of Architects Middle East, the Royal Institute of British Architects, Gulf, and the UAP Dubai will have a collaboration event in the coming months. So get ready for a regional alliance with AIA, RIBA, and UAP Dubai. Pero alam mo, mas engaged yung members natin. Kailangan nila tayo. Alright, next slide please. Now, with all of that, paano natin gagawin yun? How are we going to do that? Of course, nag-start yan sa chapter fund. Eh kung wala na tayong pera, paano natin gagawin yung mga yan, di ba? So, let me discuss you about the chapter fund now. So, approximately 300 yung nag-member sa atin ngayon. Then, nagbayad sila ng 500 as early bird. Regular na dapat tayo, 600. So, nalugi tayo ng 100 each dahil sa early bird. So, assuming we have 150,000 dirhams for a budget for the fiscal year. So, let's put that on hold. Next, please. Now, yung 150,000 fund that we gathered now, so 7,728 napunta sa license. Kasi maraming nagtatanong, ang mahal ng membership sa UAP Dubai. Ang dami niyan. Pero hindi ko alam bakit hanggang ngayon tinatanong pa rin yan. You should know na kung bakit. Di ba? Kasi AIA membership, how much? 2,000? 1,000 something riba, I think, year. Sa atin, 500. Ilang sini lang yan. Diba? Ilang Zara lang yan. Isang pair ng isang jacket ng Zara. Tapos, ang makukuha nyong event sa UAP Dubai for a year, meron kayong design awards na worth 450 dirhams per plate. Umaten ka lang doon, kuha mo na, kubra mo na yung 500 mo. Right? So, ewan ko ba tinatanong pa? Hindi naman ako galit. Alright, so 500 lang ang hinihingi ng UAP Dubai para tumakbo tayo in a very basic way. Itong GMM natin, 35,000 to. Boko, live stream, blah, blah, lahat mga picture nyo, mga profile nyo, that's 35,000 already and a coffee. Buti na nga lang, nagbigay si chef ng chocolate mamaya during the coffee break. Now, syempre, mayroon mga iPhone, Zoom renewal, website renewal, membership drive, meetings, etc. Binayaran natin 8,000. Plus, of course, kailangan na natin magkaroon ng third-party accountant dahil record niya sa license natin, and renewal license, so we're spending that much. So, yung 150,000 minus ang early nating, is 6 negative, kano na lang, 90 yata, di ba? Natira, assuming, approximately. So, ganyan lagay natin. We have 90,000 to spend for the whole fiscal year sa bawat inisip nating mga game changer events. 90,000 na tira sa atin. Ang gagastusin natin. Magkano yung design awards na ginastos natin? 160,000 yun, yung event na yun. So, paano natin gagawin yun? 90,000 pa lang. Wala pa tayong next GMM. So, but we managed to do that because of the support our industry partners. Our industry partners supporting us to do all those landmark events that we are doing. Yung UAP Design Awards, it's giving a lot of exposure and branding for all the global or the Filipino architects as a whole. And we have, of course, the industry partners are helping with us on that. Pero puro palakpak lang kayo for that. So, ganito yan. Alam mo ang masakit? 500 tayo, tapos sasabihan ka ng sponsor, ng industry partners, wala naman kami nakukuha dyan. Eh kasi naman, kayong mga members, parang iniiwasan nyo yung mga sponsors natin, tsaka industry partners. Here's the deal. Industry partners, the least thing that you can do for them, Tagalog na lang ako, so, baka para hindi nila maintindihan. Okay, I will speak in Filipino so you will not understand because I'm discussing about industry partners and sponsors. All right? So, here's the deal. Simple lang ang kailangan nila sa ating lahat tayo. Okay? 1, puntahan sila at magpasalamat. Mahirap ba yun? Thank you for your support. That's it. 2, if given a chance, if masyado kayong carried away, edi ask them, do you do lunch and learn? I can invite you to our company and let's do a lunch and learn. That's also already speaking in English, so yeah, they will understand what I'm saying. So if invite them for a lunch and learn in your companies. 3, kung hindi ka naman parang decision maker na parang, okay, specify kita and stuff, ganyan. Just introduce them to one of your colleagues. That's it. those three things are big enough, a simple gesture, but big enough for them to get to know your company and get to know their new products, right? Simply, so today, now we invited our sponsors during our design awards. We invited them to come here to present for 15 minutes here to see you guys and meet you guys there as a good gesture to them. Without any sponsorship fee, we asked just them to come here and, present to you. Tayo nagbayad nito. and so this is our to show our appreciation to them, because without them we don't have UAP Design Awards. We cannot do that. So thank you so much, industry partners. I did a lot of strategic points for our members to show our support to you guys. So thank you so much to our industry partners. Now, individual contribution for fiscal year 2025, 500. Ito yung tanong ng lahat. This is what the question everybody asking, yung mga friends nyo, yung mga kukulit yung friends. Mahal ang UAP Dubai. Ano naman, saan naman mapupunta kung magbayad tayong 50 dirhams each? Ano na mangyayari doon? Hindi tayo dito magkikita-kita. Sa Sapa Park tayo magkikita-kita. Bawas pa 25 dirhams entrance. 500, because we're professionals. If you want great event, if you want standard event as a professional, as a global Filipino architect, of course you need to pay with a certain amount. With just a worth of one jacket at Zara. Okay, now, sa 500 mo, 30 dirhams mapunta sa license. That's your share. 65 dirhams mapupunta siya sa operational cost, saka dun sa fee natin, sa accountant natin. 185 na punta ngayon dito sa GMM. Okay? 60 ang allocated dirhams ang mapupunta sa next GMM. 60 lang. So expect nyo na saan tayo. Vox Cinema. 60 dirhams, third GMM, 60 dirhams, fourth GMM. Now, second, third, and fourth GMM, that's 60 dirhams. Pero if you're going to calculate that to 300 na members, probably around 19,000, manageable na yan to do the event at warehouse. Pero balik tayo sa Jollibee. But, manageable. We are sustainable. Kaya natin mabuhay yan. And with the help of our industry partners, those 60 dirhams will increase na for the budget for the GMM, so medyo maka-elevate na tayo ng konti. So we can do proper GMM in hotel and stuff. So it depends. But I tell you, we're not dependent to sponsors or to industry partners. We are not dependent. We can live. Pero because of them, we will live more, better, and happy. Now, 500 yan. Yan pa lang ang so yung mga nagtatanong sa inyo, saan napupunta yung 500? Yan pa lang yung napuntahan 500. Eh wag ka. UAP Dubai Design Awards, 520 kasi sasama mo na yun yung stage, yung mga cost natin sa mga kung ano-anong mga roll mga boards. 520 dirhams per plate. Per person yun pag umattend ka ng UAP Dubai Design Awards. May yacht party tayo sa February, libre sa lahat ng members, 300 or 250 members. We will do yacht networking session next year, February. And then may year-end conference tayo, 120. So yan pala yung basic, wala pa dyan yung sa sports, etc., ganyan. So from the previous accounts of fiscal year, 500 membership fee of a member or 600 membership per member, almost 2,400 ang value you get if you're going to attend to all the events. That's how lucky you are. How lucky I am as well. So, we're clear with the 500 issue of our friends. So, okay, now next. UAP Dubai Design Awards. Biglang namin kayo na idea how we managed to do it. Or President John Michael managed to sell his liver, one liver, just for us to have the UAP Dubai Design Awards. Delano Hotel, 107,000 na. Oh. 200,000 LED screen and AI. Nakita nyo gumaganyan yan. Rental dyan, 200,000 ang yan. Pero, Sparks Lab Technology gave us for free for 3 consecutive years. Pag nakita nyo, pag nag-set up doon, how many people ang naggagawa doon on their own expense. And I'm so grateful to Sparks Lab Technology. And at nagpapasalamat ako dahil yung isang anak ni Sparks Lab ay arkitekto na din at member natin. Where are you? Are you here? Ano ito? Ayaw niya na magpakita. Kasi makaka1 million dirhams na yung magulang niya sa atin. Pero I'm so grateful. Kaya nga, post ako ng post, like ako ng like sa LinkedIn nila. That's the least thing that I can do. Kasi hindi ko naman siya ma-propose sa company ko kasi hindi naman kailangan ng LED screen ng NEB. Pero nilalike ko para makita siya ng iba. That's the least thing that I can do for them. For giving the 200,000 rental fee to waive it. That's the least thing that I can do for them. And that's the least thing that you can do as well. Tulungan tayo dito ha, para may LED screen tayo. Sa susunod. Kung hindi, babalik tayo sa projector. Alright. Now, lights, operation cost, yung DJ natin, yung 2-host saxophone, event permit, photo, trophy, CSR, that's 169,000 almost. Total expense for the design awards alone. Now, thank you so much sa ating mga sponsors na nagbigay, they gave a share. They gave a share pero kulang pa rin. 25,000 each for all our sponsors. Thank you so much. But still, we are negative 44,962, which we took from our membership fund because that's the last one. Because here in UAP Dubai, we are non-profit organization. What you pay for a membership fee, we're going to spend it to the whole fiscal year to 0. Sumobra lang tayo to negative pa. So, yes, thank you so much to our industry partners and thank you so much UAP members for joining us there. So, yeah, next. Kailangan natin mabilis. Now! Ang dami kong sinabi so nakita nyo na yung pera, yung connection ng industry partners, the connection with industry partners, our own fund, the 500 dirhams that we are doing, and then our vision to be, to grow the network, to be managerial position, business development. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, let's go back to that. Pero hindi, I need to finish my sentence. What's that? My thought. I need to finish. Business level. Manager. Yeah, why? Why I said that? All right. Anyway, going back. Let's go back to our breakdown of 2 more. Yes, that one. So 30, 65, 185, 60, 60, 60. And nakita nyo nun, 40 dirhams, welcome kit. Na-receive nyo ang welcome kit nyo. Yung mug nyo, yung tumbler nyo, your tumbler nyo sandamukal na dadagdagan pa natin. That's your welcome kit. UAP shirt na ilang kulay na iba-iba. That's the welcome kit. Now, and we have a proposal. So, we're going to decide later on, do you want tumbler? Do you want pen, welcome kit again? Or are we going to put that budget to our Ayapoa fee? So we're just going to pay our membership to national. Here's the thing. Member ka ng UAP Dubai, pero hindi ka member ng mother chapter. Parang hirap nun. And us, we have an option. Instead of paying giving you a welcome kit, tapos kukulitin nyo kami, tatambak namin sa bahay namin yung mga mug na hindi nyo nakolekta, Tapos kukulit nyo kami, nasa na yung welcome kit namin, after hindi nyo umattend or pumunta sa mga GMM. Tapos sisitahin nyo kami, nasan na, tapos yung cabinet namin punong-puno na. So, si Architect Tintin, sandamukal na yung hindi na makalaro yung mga anak niya kasi nga punong-puno na ng gamit ng UAP yung bahay nila. So, welcome kit or Ayapowa membership fee, let's pay it. Kasi babayaran nyo rin naman yun eh. Now, the thing is with Ayapowa, so, still, pag pumirma ka ng plano sa Pilipinas, you need Ayapowa number. So, magtatambak-tambak pa rin yan eh. But if marahaba yung utang nyo doon, babayaran natin isa lang, hindi lahat. Yun lang, yung worth lang ng 40 dirhams mo. 600 yata ang Ayapowa, 600 ang Ayapowa natin. So, let's decide. Majority naman dito, it's okay, di ba? Or may gusto pa rin ng tumbler. Alright, thank you so much. Let's approve that later on. Now, our proposed program, mabilisan na. Bilisan natin. Anong oras na? Kasi sabi ko sa inyo, sabihan nyo kaagad ako. Dapat tapos na ngayon. Okay, number 1 program. For GMM only. Well, we are required to have a GMM of almost every month. Di naman tayo ganun kasiraulo, magkita-kita lagi every month at mag-discuss anong paplanuhin natin sa next month, and then sa next month, and then sa next month. Because we respect your time. And thank you so much. Because whatever we do here sa UAP Dubai, GMM ganito talaga to, usapang chapter to. So it's a discussion of our programs every GMM, a decision that we're going to do. So ganito talaga to. So kung naghahanap kayo ng inspirational sa akin, wala kayong makuha inspirational. Kaya naglagay tayo kay Chef. Ang galing ni Chef. Ang galing ni Monica. Thank you, Monica, for having a great... So every GMM, we're going to have that. Mag-i-inspired muna sa atin to be somebody, mga ganon. And then tsaka tayo mag-usap ng perahan, utang, 500 dirhams. So we are going to do that every fiscal year. We'll invite somebody dito. Some new, some fresh, some iconic, ganon. Okay? Deal. For GMM lang tayo. For General Membership Meeting. Okay? So, July, ang next natin kita-kita, November na. Tapos February, May. Huwag na tayo magkita next month. Magpamiss tayo sa isa't isa. So, but the BOD, your Board of Directors, will work still continue. So, kayo naman, kung gusto niyo lang, then you can, sa mga side events natin, then you can join. But, ang required lang talaga sa atin is to have this. Sana makita ko kayo sa November, ganyan, at madami pa. Kasi para sa atin to, sa mga Pilipino arkitekto nandito sa Dubai. Alright, chop-chop na daw. Next, UAP, okay, now, number 2, we're going to have the UAP Dubai Masterclass Season 1. Wow. Okay. Any one of you na nag-John Robert Powers before? Ako nag-John Robert Powers, doon na po tinuro ang speech power, yung mga etiquette sa mga anong kutsara gagamitin mo, to left to right, yung mga ganun level. Tinayin kami ni Palafox, puro ganun kami, John Robert Powers. And now, there's a thought, because if we are going to have the C-suite, yung pang-boss level na usapan na, of course, kailangan i-refine natin sarili natin. And we are doing that. Kailangan ko yan. Sirang-sira English ko dito sa Dubai. Noon pa ako naghahanap ng speech power nun eh. So, if any one of you wants to fix that one, we have speech power, we have confidence. So, art of dining, articulation, yung mga ganyang kasimple will help you conversate, di ba? To communicate with the rest. Ayusin natin yan para paglabas mo, feeling boss ka na. And then after that, we'll have the business development skill. Me, as a business development, I'll share all my secrets. Walang bayad. Ibibigay ko sa'yo how I did it, how I close a deal, so you can do that the same. Or if you are planning to have your own, how you do the business development, how to have that charisma, how do you have that posture. If I'm the speaker, it's gonna be free. But if like speech power, confidence, we're going to hire a professional one. Nakita nyo na yung budget? Wala tayong budget for masterclass. What UAP Dubai can pay is only the venue. Pero yung mga professional na mga mag-speak dyan, magto-talk, mag-share, of course, we need to pay for that. So, each member na kukuha niyan, of course, isa-subdivide natin. Of course, we're going to negotiate on that. Now, andyan din yung prompt crafting, kasi syempre, yung personal development, yes, nandun. And then also, yung mga technical, so yung mga revrit pa rin, yung mga unang dating dito sa Dubai, yung mga gusto mag-beginner, crash course, we have Revit still, we have the intermediate, and then how to set up your own office. Libre na yan, di ba? Pag ikaw nag-talk, i-share mo sa kanila paano ka nag-set up ng sarili mong design firm dito sa Dubai, how you do it, how you manage it. He can share, he can have a workshop on that. Mag-hire tayo rin ng isang nag-aayos ng mga license dito and stuff para maintindihan nyo how you manage to have your own company here or outsourcing. We will invite outsourcing, may mga outsourcing firms sa Pilipinas na kumikita na ng sobra-sobra. Dahil nga sa outsourcing, kasi nga sila yung puntahan ng mga design firm dito sa Dubai. So, yung mga yun, para sa atin, para sa usapang business, UAP Dubai is not for kids anymore. This is for matured. All right. I mean, okay, go back to number 2. So that's clear. Masterclass. So now, later, pipiliin mo naman, or you're going to select which are the items that you are interested with. Pag dalawa lang ang may gusto dun sa speech power, of course, we're not going to spend much on that. We're not going to focus on that. So, a minimum of 50 siguro, or maximum of 50, minimum of 40, if that people are interested to at least pay a little and attend that one. Every Sunday yan sa Burjuman. We're in discussion with Burjuman Mall, pero hindi yun sa food court. Meron silang area doon. Doon gagawin yung masterclass natin. And then if you want to continue more on that, yun. So, i-co-create natin yung program based on what are you going to say today. Pag ngayon nyo gagawin yan, yung survey na yan. Alright? Now, next. Dali, naubos na yun. Ay, naku, energy. May next? UAP Dubai Podcast Show! It's so trending now. We have a special committee on that. Si Director Alex, ang ating podcast master. So anyone interested on you, 20 episodes. We're going to hire professionally kung saan yan. And then, first 5 siguro will be like celebrity architects and marami dyan dito sa Dubai. And then afterwards, you guys. Kasi syempre, alam mo namang i-feature nyo si Marvin. First episode, paano naman kakagatin yan ng, di ba? So, kunin muna natin si Ben Piper, Sean Kila. So, medyo makakuha-kuha tayo ng engagement. So, once na malakas na engagement, that's the plan. I'm being transparent to you guys. And then after that, syempre, gusto mo ma-line up na doon. So, any one of you, if you're interested on being featured or hosting it, also PR na rin sa'yo yun because you can promote your company na doon, yung position mo, etc., etc. So that's the podcast show that we are doing it on this fiscal year. We're proposing it. We're going to approve it later. Next, Amplify Magazine, we will continue that. That's our personal in-house magazine being featured there. Meron tayong Amplify team. Any one of you can contribute, can be there, can be featured there. Siyempre naman, kung yung relatable sa atin, tsaka yung kaka-highlight naman, umisip ka ng ganon, di ba? Alam mo namang hilig mo lang mag-golf or mag-trekking, ipipicture pa ba natin dyan ng ganon? Yung may something naman to share. Alright? So, it's open to everybody. Now, we are in discussion with an international magazine company who will support us on this 100 influential Filipino architects around the world. So, watch out on that. Wala naman tayong gastos dyan. So, okay, approve na natin yan. Wala nang ano dyan eh. Pero it's a third-party stuff. Next, Archit Tour. Long weekend holiday this is December. So, you're going to choose whether you want to go to Egypt, you want to go to, So, if we reach a certain number of interested, then mag-go yung program na yon. And we're going to know that today. Lahat tayo mag-survey now kung saan yun pupunta. And the good thing about it, may tabi. So installment. So you can, if you want to go to Egypt now, for the Egypt Museum na, ituloy na yan, or sa kung saan man, nag-enjoy na may mga nagpunta ng Egypt. Alright, next. 7. Of course, yes, February 2026. I think February 7, that's a Saturday ata, o Sunday. Yan na yung pinopose na date. So, the UAP Yacht Party. So, we can be more connected and intact with everybody while having fun and drinking. Dun mas nababand yan. And don't be shy away. We are just one UAP Dubai. Brother and sister mo, lahat yan. Walang hiya-hiya dito. Alright? Next. Of course. We have a free legal advice session here. So with the help of Director Malaya Fabros and our friends from the Philippines Filipino lawyer in the Philippines, they're going to come here in Dubai. We can do a session here in a mall, in a hall. And do a free legal advice session with all of you. Now, of course, it depends on you. If a lot of you, well, hindi naman yan for anyone who wants divorce, advice, or stuff. Well, a lot meron siguro, but it could be like contracts, managed contracts, etc. So there's a lot. Think about it. Even if you want to avail on that and stuff, let us know on that survey that I keep saying a while ago. Use that survey because if tatlo lang ang gusto ng free legal advice, samahan ko na lang kayo sa consulate. But if you are like 40, 30, then yeah, I can do that. Let's fly them here and then they can do legal advice for you guys. All right, clear. Thank you, UAP Jobs. Walang sama, UAP Jobs. Si Director Jun pa rin ang mamamahala dyan. And alam ko naman, there's some of you who benefited on that, and a lot of Filipino from the Philippines as well benefited from that. So if you have any job opportunities in your company, just let us know. Then we will post it there at our UAP Jobs. It's open to all UAP members. Pero marami na dyang ibang lahi na nasa loob. Ang hirap linisin. But yes, that's UAP Jobs. Next, 10. UAP Dubai Sports. Nakakapagod siya. Ang director natin, si Tintin, Christine. But, you know what? The golf, so successful. A lot of our UAP golf team, they never thought they're going to learn or play golf. And playing golf is not a luxury. It's a network and business opportunity came for you guys. And it's not expensive actually. And you can learn with your fellow UAP members. Nandyan sila, the brothers and sisters were playing golf here. And it's so successful. And yes, we're going to open that one now. There's a lot that architect, past President Christine is planning for UAP Dubai. And sorry, Christian, siya yun. Wala akong kinalaman. Gusto niya talaga yan. But now, ang hirap-hirap niyan because she's planning a lot for you guys to be active and stuff in the sports. Although I'm not active, she's the only one who let me wake up at 4 a.m. Even my boss Jamil cannot wake me up at 4 a.m. But she did for us to run for a cause. So, now, in order for us to proceed with that, kasi nga, magpapakapagod siya. Mag-strike, kung ano-ano mga iisipin niya, pero tatatlo lang yung nag-aabil, apat na, tapos gagastos pa siya pa magpapapandisal, etc., etc. So what we're going to do now is, we'll ask you, ano ba gusto niyo? Or pwede namang hindi, kasi hindi ka naman active, pero kung sing-sing niya. So kung ma-reach natin certain number, then we'll proceed with that. Para hindi masyadong effort sa kanila, sa volunteer leaders. They are also a staff and employee like you. pero nagdodoble kayo nanonood ng teleserye. Okay, next, UAP Dubai, UAP International Conference in December. So yes, that's going to happen. That's our year-end conference as well. So that's already on the works. So we're still going to continue that. Same thing as the next UAP Dubai Design Awards 2026. So where it's gonna be? Naubusan na tayo ng lugar. So it depends on our friends from industry partners. If they want Rotana, then yeah, why we cannot do anything. But if we want the Museum of the Future, or but yes, again, thank you so much, our industry partners. So this is UAP Dubai fiscal year 2025 and 2026. May next pa ba yan? Oh, yes. All right, now, seryosong usapan. We are a licensed organization, professional organization. I think we are one of the few professional organizations who are licensed here. I'm not sure with the other international organization if they already got their license, but we are licensed. We are paying for that. And having a license take a lot of effort for those who are the names of the full name and the Emirates ID and company name and mobile number all their life nandiyan sa loob ng license na yan. In every license, there's somebody na nakapangalan sa kanya. And for this year, last year, 2 years ago, under John Michael Paramide. 3 years ago, under my name. So papalit-palit. So whenever we change, a president will change the license. So we change the license, we change everything. Board resolution, sa loob. Hindi nyo na-experience yan kasi pinipix na namin sa loob. So, ang trabaho, ang gastos, kasi change of name, change of license, minsan hindi pa na-approve. So, yung sa akin, hindi na-approve yung UAP 124 LLC. So, inusog yung 124 space LLC. Parang 124, UAP space 124, tsaka UAP 124. So, may ganong instances. So, it's so hard. And then having a license can get us our own bank account. But we are non-profit organization, so wala nasa-save tayo. So, there's a maintaining balance there. At the same time, kung sino nakapangalan sa license, siya ngayon yung nakalagay dun sa bank account, makakapag-open ng bank account. Opening a bank account, you need NOC from your employer. You need, papakita mo yung salary certificate mo doon sa mag-aayos. So, makikita niya yung sweldo mo. And then, all of this paperwork kasama. So, every year, pag nagpalit tayo ng presidente, we're going to change that. A lot of times, a lot of money, and a lot of effort kasi hindi lahat ng presidente papayag na makapangalan sa kanya yan. Ganon. Now, and this is a proposal that we're going to check with you, and we're going to include it in the bylaws once we got your approval. For the UAP 124 LLC license here, hanap tayo ng tao na alam nating dito na magkakaanak, magkakapamilya, para hindi na magpapalit-palit. Tapos mapagkakatiwalaan na nandyan, na hindi uuwi ng Pilipinas pa. So, yung mga ganun ba? And, syempre, naghanap kami ng sino binata, sino may girlfriend, sino marapit na ikasal. O sino na hindi ko naman sinasabing si John Michael Paramide, pero siya yung president. Siya yung hihingi ng NOC sa boss niya at sasabihin niya magtatayo po ang kumpanya, UAP 124. But, ganong mga struggle. And, of course, he cares about, he's been a president of UAP Dubai for 2 years. So he cares a lot about the licenses and stuff. And yun yung hinihingi natin sa kanya. If he will let us use his name, his full details, his approval, to be the guardian of UAP 124 for a certain period para hindi na tayo papalit-palit. At it's renewable, ha? Kunyari, every 3 years, tapos pwede natin i-renew yung contract namin sa'yo na 3 years pa, nakasakapangalan lang sa'yo yan. Now, with the bylaws, nandun lang natin ilalagay yung division. Up to what extent yung power ng may under ng UAP 124. It's either, hindi. Of course, hindi it's either. The sole power pa rin is through the BOD and the membership. So, all the approvals and stuff, even the bank account, yung OTP niya, papasok pa rin sa members, hawak din ng ng ano. So, ganun yung process. So, yes, and we need that because we need to open our bank account. Our industry partners is having a hard time to give us money because we don't have our own bank account. So, let's open our bank account under UAP 124 and under the name of the trade license under our, so we are proposing a chairmanship board for UAP 124. And that will be, I'm proposing John Michael Peramide to be that guy to safeguard our UAP 124 license and our treasurers to safeguard our bank account and money. Is that okay with everybody? Siyempre, kasi kung sino yung umangal dito, then bigay mo sa akin yung NOC mo, pati yung salary certificate, then we will apply you as the chairman of this. Pero that's UAP 124. It's now, sa akin, it's not really like a big deal. Mas na-appreciate ko lang kung sino yung magsasacrifice na pangalan dyan, doon sa, yan, kasi lagi nandun siya. Sa kung ano man mangyari sa atin, siya yung hahabulin ng police, not us, not the chapter president. So, safe ako. Alright, next! You as a member, how can you contribute? Okay, this is how can you contribute to this organization by just attending or aside from attending our events? Okay, here's the thing. 3 o'clock na ako natulog. Si Michael noon, 4 o'clock nang gigising pa ng madaling araw bago mag-GMM, bago mag-event. Ganun kami kapuyat. Even ito 2:00 para lang sa pera-pera natin. Halos lahat ng board, yung mga programs nila, may PowerPoint presentation pa si Christine. Hindi lang PowerPoint pala yun. Ano yun? Naka-Canva pa. So, ganun ang ginagawa ng volunteer leaders. Aside from our current work. And you as a member, lucky, tingin ko, because, oo lang naman kayo, yes, I'm attending. Punta ko, okay, kain, network, and then uwi. Tapos kami magsaset, babadamin to. Tatanggalin namin yung tubig ng base. Bubuhatin namin doon. Nandito ako rin. Nagbubuhat ako ng tubig dyan. Nagbubuhat ako ng table. You see, that's how we serve here in UAP Dubai. Hindi namin kailangan ng fame and ano dito or red carpet. Kaya nga galit sa atin yung naka-live tayo. Okay. So, di ba? Parang attend lang kayo. Kain, uwi, masaya kayo, meron kayong giveaway, kami, may buhat-buhat pa uwi. Tapos iisip kami ng program. Naiintindihan nyo naman siguro yung lagay namin. Sabihin nyo, ginusto nyo yan eh. Oh, ginusto namin to. Ginagawa ko nga yung PowerPoint kagabi, sabi ko, ito na naman ako. Ginagawa ko yung PowerPoint na to para sa inyo, para sa atin. Because, ewan ko, cliche, may 10 minutes na lang. Cliche, pero, ano eh, mahal ko kayo eh. Naka-live pa rin yun. Hindi, totoo, na, yung well, not really like mahal-mahal, but I, binabawi. Love you too. Pero, atin, wala na, matanda na rin ako. Wala na ako sa panahon na nakikipagpalig sa hampa. Gusto ko lahat tayo angat. Lahat tayo, alam mo yun, magtutulungan. And sana nararamdaman nyo yun. And sa mga bago na hindi sanay sa ganito ako magsalita, so, yes. Now, you as a member, ganito na lang. Ganito lang gagawin nyo. Hinihiling namin mga nagpupuyan, mga nagpapakapagod, nagre-risk ng trabaho para lang ma-send sa inyo sa WhatsApp yung message namin gusto na hindi nyo binabasa at hindi nyo ni-read o hindi nyo man lang nila like o heart. 1. Ay, back muna tayo. Hindi ko, nag-intro pa lang ako nun eh. Grow your network. Yun lang. 5 person per session, per event. Okay? Huwag kayo mahiya. Nakalagay dun sa WhatsApp message natin, ano yung mga first step niya. Parang, hi, my name is ganyan, saka nagtatrabaho. Malaman mo lang trabaho ng isang tao, connection na yun. Tapos, alam mo yun, kita tayo sa susunod. That's it. Connect with everybody. Grow your network individually. I will grow it myself as well. Hindi ganun kalaki network ko sa UAP Dubai. So, I will do that. 2, paulit-ulit, our industry partners matters. Approach them, thank them, invite them to do lunch and learn to your office. Know them, because these industry partners, these people, they are well connected. They are the people who's going from one company to another. They know what are the future projects of a certain firm. They know people. And I am well connected with a lot of them, with the industry partners. So I use also the, I scratch your back, you scratch mine. Ano na bang bagong project with that company? So baka pwede akong ganyan. Because they are the people working 24/7, getting connections and network. And being a friend of them personally will also help you both. The other way around. So, they are also important for me as well as a business staff. And not just for me. Pwede rin sa inyo. Lahat sa inyo. Baka naman may opening dun sa kabila. May kakilala ba kayo? Ganun. Use it. Nandito tayo sa Dubai. Don't take it for granted. Para you can do whatever you want. Okay, next. Next. Thanks your volunteer leaders. Paulit-ulit yan, pero naghihingi naman kami ng thank you. Hindi naman ako. Yung mga volunteer leaders natin. Yung in every email or WhatsApp that you receive, somebody is risking his job. His or her job. Ano oras nyo na-receive? 3 p.m. May isang taong nagsesend ng email sa inyo, risking his job, habang gumagawa siya ng trabaho niya pa. Aside from that. So the least thing that you can do is like it, di ba? Heart it or say thank you. That will not cost you that much. Eh. A simple gesture of that will, feeling easy na kasi kayo naman, you take for granted, okay, receive, okay, nagrereklamo pa kayo, wala akong natanggap, alam mo yun? So, please, and yes, that's the least thing that you can do, like, ganyan. And of course, our UAP page. Saan damo ka naman pinopost natin? Hindi, like lang naman. Wala namang bayad yun. Isang like lang. But that one like sa mga page natin, sa LinkedIn lalo natin, sa mga page natin, one post ng like or thank you doon sa comment, ang laki na ng impact ng mileage nung message natin or nung program natin. Makikita tayo ng mga iba pang mga potential industry partners or yung value ng message na binibigay natin doon, yung brand na gusto nating i-project, kaya tayo nakita. Yung mga nag-like doon sa LinkedIn page natin, if wala pa kayong LinkedIn, magkaroon na kayo ng LinkedIn. But we have a LinkedIn. I think we are the only one, or one of the few, na merong LinkedIn na UAP Dubai, at the Dubai chapter. So, yes. Like heart lang, ha? Yes? Now, moment. Take out your phone now. Please. Hindi naman kayo magla-like, sorry. Take out, this is important. Pakilabas lahat ng phone natin. Labas lahat ng phone ng members ng UAP Dubai. All the phones of you. Now, for the UAP Dubai's only, because it's a private one. So, take out your mobile phone. Now, next, go to UAP Dubai members private FB group. That's UAP Dubai 2025-2026 private group. This is a private group for paid current members. Okay? Done? Nakikita namin yung walang mga phone hawak. Dito na natin gawin kaysa naman kulitin pa na namin kayo, mag-spend na naman tayo ng oras na pa-send sa inyo sa WhatsApp. Nakapasok na! Pending, ba't ka na? Pending, kasi meron diyang password tsaka code, di ba? May code. Answer question and code. So, lahat ng mga paid members naka-receive ng password and code. Ginawa namin yan kasi hindi namin alam kung sino ba yung nag-join dyan. Merong diyang isa kung hindi namin alam, picture ng cartoon. Kasi hindi namin alam, accept ba namin to o hindi? How are we going to know? Because this is a private group for current members of UAP Dubai 2025-2026. So now once you're in, everybody's in, mag-a-accept na sila yung mga ma-invite. Yung last post niyan, pero hindi na nagwo-work yung QR code na to, sorry. So the last, yung pinaka latest post niyan, andun yung survey link. Got it? Nasa survey Google form na kayo? 5. Yes? Google form? Okay, so fill up the Google form now para malaman namin kung anong masterclass ang gusto nyo. Anong gusto nyo? Sunday ba o Saturday yung next GMM? Pinakasimpleng survey lang yan. Will help a lot your volunteer leaders to process yung programs natin for the next one. That's very important for us. Okay. We have 2 minutes to do that. Pia, binaba mo yung phone mo. Gawin mo yung Google. Pending, traffic. Arabic. Oo nga, sa akin din Arabic eh. Kasi yung Google mo is Arabic. External browser mo yon. So, open external browser. Baka makapunta ka sa yon. Okay, so extended na ba tayo ng oras, no? 2 minutes pa? Oo, mabilisan na itong approval. Yeah. Okay? O sige, habang hinahanap nyo or pinipila pa nyo yung Google, ine-next ko lang yung slide. At yung next yung slide, nag-fill up din ng form. Next. Okay, tapos na pala. And that's it. Yun yung ating President's Report. Thank you for listening. That's our program, proposed program to you all. And if you agree to all what I said, some of them, general, we will approve them para we can proceed now with doing the detailed program of our events and stuff, right? Thank you. All right. So after the presentation, okay, these initiatives and programs that I discuss represents our collective goals from your board of directors earlier today down to the initial discussion that we had when we won the presidency. Now, we now open the floor for any questions and clarifications. If there are no further questions, the chair will entertain a motion to adopt the proposed chapter program and whatever we have discussed a while ago.
Hello? Mr. President, after having heard and seen that very excited and emphatic presentation for the proposed programs and activities, I move to adopt the proposed programs and activities for fiscal year 2025-2026.
Any second? Second. It has been moved and seconded. So any discussion about it? Having none? Okay, we can proceed with the vote. So all in favor say aye. Aye. All who oppose say nay. The ayes have it, and the motion to adopt the programs that we have discussed and all the discussions have been recorded will be adopted. So the ayes have it. And the motion is adopted. Thank you, members. Together, we shall bring this program to life.
Mr. President, we now move to the remaining items on our agenda.
Thank you. The floor is now open for any additional business announcement matters from the members. All right, so hearing none, so before I close it, so we will have a 30 minutes break only to get your coffee, may pagkain doon. Hindi ko alam kung paano ibibigay yung chocolate ni chef. Marami ba? Para sa akin lang? Para sa iyo lang. Hindi pa, premyo na lang natin later on yun. Ang mahal kasi nun. pero pa-raffle na lang natin later on. So, okay. Dahil kasasabi ko lang na yung mga sumuporta sa atin, no? Nandito sila, naghintay sila dito sa atin, inibitahan natin sila. Pagkatapos nyo magkape, mamaya 30 minutes, puntahan nyo sila, salamat, ganyan. Tapos makipag-mingle kayo, get 5 connections uli. Mabilisan lang, tapos kumain kayo doon. Tapos after 30 minutes, balik tayo dito. Walang uuwi. Pag may nakita kaming umuwi, meron na kayong red dot sa noo. 1 oras na lang, tapos hindi na tayo makikita. 2 months, November pa tayo, magkikita-kita. Yes. O nga. Teka lang. So, yung sige, gawin natin yan. Yung natin, yung nandito sila, 15 minutos lang, di ba? Yan. Hindi na mapagbigyan, pero makinig tayo. Tapos magbenta. 15. Tapos magpa-family picture tayo. Tapos raffle. Tapos uwi. Tapos ayusin na namin yung table, yung mga to. Kasi kayo uuwi ng masaya, kami may bet-bet. So, pakiusap lang, ha? Sabay-sabay tayo uwi. Okay? Please! UAP, minsan lang naman tayo dito eh. Tsaka hello, 2 to 5 lang naman tayo. Hindi na tayo whole day, di ba? That's it. Yun na yung GMM natin. Kami whole day. 2 days pa, kagabi pa kami. Tapos kayo, 5 hours lang. So, hindi naman nakikiusap, pero we're professional enough because UAP Dubai is not for kids anymore. It's for adult. All right? So now, motion to okay, we are now yung motion natin for yung welcome kit natin magiging Ayapawa na payment. So, ang magaling dyan sa motion si Architect Jeff. Jack! The father of our UAP Dubai bylaws. From WSP.
Okay, Mr. President, there being a suggestion or a motion to spend the 40 dirham amount on Ayapawa payment to the national rather than spending it on Tumbler-powered welcome kits. So I move to replace the welcome kits with the Ayapawa payments rather for each of us paying members.
All right. So hearing that motion, so we are now open. The floor is now open for any clarification and stuff regarding that. Okay, I have a clarification. Kung hindi po yung national ng bulk, kasi mahirap yun, di ba? Kasi yung Ayapawa portal, nasa inyo na lahat eh. Wala sa amin eh. So, paano namin babayaran yun? But we were going to request that one, kung ano yung yun. And then, once we get the green signal to them na, okay, that's approved, then, yes, we can do that. Once you approve this one na, ngayon. Okay? If not, bibigyan ko yung Tumblr.
Clarification
Yes.
din. I suggest na bago natin i-go ahead with the national, i-release natin lahat ng names so that every one of us can check na maisa-submit yung name nila dun sa national for the Ayapowa page.
Yes, I
Thank you.
agree with that. So thank you, past past chapter president John Michael Piramide, for that. So yes, we're going to release yung list of current members kung sino yung mga pabayaran natin so we can check on it. Now, isa lang ang babayaran na Ayapowa ha. Huwag kayong masa na yung utang nyo sa buong past due nyo bayaran natin. So if nag-agree for a batch payment ang national, we'll do that. If not, then we're going to talk it out again. All right?
Suggestion din ulit, sorry. Maybe it would be best if we can do a deadline para sa mga gustong humabol ng membership na we have to set a deadline na by this date, ito lang yung masasubmit
Masasama
natin
sa batch.
as
Yes.
a batch. Yes.
Yes. I agree to that. So if there are any further question, the chair will now entertain a motion which is you've done already. Architect Jack, right? So it has been moved and second. Is there any second to the motion? All right. So it has been moved and seconded. Any discussion? So yun na yung na-discuss natin. All right. So hearing none, we proceed with the vote. So all in favor say aye. Aye. And all opposed and gusto ng tumbler say nay. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Thank you, members. Meron pa ba tayong motion? The UAP 124 chairman, LLC chairmanship. So sino mag-lead the motion doon? Hans, ba? Melden. Ikaw na.
Mr. President, for the chairmanship of ano yun? UAP LLC 124 LLC for 3 years be under John Michael Piramide's name.
Pwede na yun.
I move the motion.
Any second? I second the motion. Dami. So, okay, it has been moved and seconded. So, any discussion, further question about it and stuff? Hearing none. All in favor say aye. Aye. All opposed say nay. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Now, Architect, immediate past chapter president Michael Piramide is now the chairman of UAP 124 LLC for 3 years. This will be included in our bylaws once we update our bylaws next GMM. So our father of bylaws is now in the works of updating our bylaws. So sa next GMM, we'll update that bylaws na matagal na kailangan for renewal because of our payment. All right. Any other? Yeah. May 20 minutes na lang silang kakain.
Suggestion din sa maybe once natapos na natin yung updated na bylaws, we'll have a discussion on that maybe in the following GMMs para aware ang lahat sa bylaws natin.
Oh yes, dahil hindi rin ako masyadong familiar ng detailed dun sa bylaws natin dati. And with the current one, yes, I am. Naka-live tayo eh. So, yes. Okay. We'll do that. All right. Reminder. May magbabantay sa labas. Kain lang kayo dyan. Network, pasalamat. 3 lang gagawin natin, tapos balik, ha? Tapos stay lang ng konti. Tapos uwi tayo sabay-sabay. Pero meron kami dito. May raffle tayo, pero ayoko namang mag-stay kayo dahil sa raffle. Mag-stay kayo dahil professional kayo. Mag-stay kayo kasi UAP Dubai kayo. Alright? Isang oras na lang. Alright. Okay, before we close, I think one each one of you for your time, energy, yung pagbarrow namin sa mga pamilya nyo, to your kids. So, binarrow lang namin kayo for 5 hours just for the sake of our GM and our future of this organization. Your presence makes a difference in advancing our shared mission. To our new members, welcome. Happy 15th founding anniversary, UAP Dubai. To our leaders, our volunteer leaders, to our new chairman of UAP 124 LLC, your service is the backbone of this chapter. To our past chapter president, we're here, Architect Christine Marasigan and Architect Ronald Salcedo. Thank you so much. If there are no further business, this meeting is now adjourned. Thank you. Please enjoy the rest of the